Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I
My natural hair, guys, has grown so much. Look at this silk press, like it is everything, okay? It's so full and fluffy, like it's voluptuous, it's everything and it eats. Like I could even style it however it is that I want to style it. If I did not tell you this is my hair, I don't think you would believe me. So let me save you the trouble and show you how I install this beautiful wig. This wig is from Ashimary and it is a 20-inch. It comes with all of these lovely things that we use for installation. This is a kinky straight, guys, and it is a 360 degrees glueless wig. Like, look at the inside and look at how nice it is. It comes with the strap so that you can adjust it however it is that you want to adjust it. Also comes with the comb so that you can sort of like make it tight on your hair. The nice thing that I enjoy about this wig is that it is a glueless, meaning it's an easy install away and go. You don't need to know how to install your hair if you don't know how to install. Like, look at those things that are blue on your hair, and then you just put it on. I just stuck it on over here just now so that it's tight and it's sitting nicely on my hair. Over here, I'm just making sure that my hair is nice and sleeked up while also showing you the scalp that it gives you. Look at the scalp, look at the natural scalp that it shows like on screen. Can you see that? It shows as if it's your real hair so that people believe that this is your real hair. This lovely wig, guys, does also come with those straps on the side so that you can make your wig sort of like fitted. Like, look on screen over there. So I'm just making it tight so that it sits perfectly on my head. I am adjusting it according to my hair. Another thing that I enjoy so much about this hair is that it comes with those baby hairs, those natural baby hairs, so that you get that natural sort of like feel of baby hair, and you can style it however it is that you want to style. Like, it comes like our natural, like a black hair, my normal hair, like 4C, the afro hair, that type of vibe. So I'm just defining it over here so that it sort of like hides that it is a 360 like glueless, like a frontal wig. I'm trying to hide that detail, so that's what I did over there. And you can see immediately when I did that, you cannot tell whether this is a wig or it is my own hair. It just hides that detail. And I think that's one of the things that I enjoy about this hair. It is actually my first time attempting this technique. And when I say, guys, I don't think I'll go back to like installing a wig like normally or like naturally, because honestly, with the 360 or the frontal wig, I sort of like don't like the frontal type of look where it does show your installation. This sort of like baby hair makes the detail much easier, and it makes it like look more natural. That's what I'm trying to say. So here I did this hairstyle over here, and I'll show you like another hairstyle that you can do. I am just making sure that you can see and you know that this is a glueless wig. Did you see that? This is a glueless, and I'm literally wearing like a wear and go type of glueless wig. You don't need to know like how to install it. You don't need to know like more detail as to this. Like, guys, look at the fullness of this wig. The volume is everything. Yeah, that's like our normal hair is full, so it would make sense that this wig is also full, and also it's giving that silk press type of look. I didn't even iron this wig. I just took it out of the box, and this is how it looks. Can you see how easy it is to sort of like make a updo type of pom pom, or maybe like scratching it on top? Like, look at this style, guys. It's so easy. There's no trouble. You don't feel like at the back there's something showing, or it's uncomfortable, or it's about to come out, because those combs sort of like secure it, and also those strap on the side that I showed you that you sort of like adjusted to your head. It also makes it tighter to your head, as well as the glueless stuff that I did in front so that it lays properly. So can you see this wig is nicely secured? When I tell you that I went out the entire day and I was fine, I didn't feel like I was funny or this wig was about to fall, because it is a glueless wig, guys. This is top tier. It is definitely one of my favorite wigs. Like, I even want to sort of like create layers. I'm gonna go to the salon and sort of like layer this wig so that it's one of my signature looks. I like layering. Look at that, guys. Glueless kesana. glueless, no glue, nothing like that. It's just easy and wear and go.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
I thought let me try the next hairstyle, guys, while also showing you the scalp so that you can see that it is giving scalp. It's giving a natural scalp. What do you mean? This is our hair, okay? From now on, it's our hair. It's not even a wig. What do you mean we're wearing a wig? No. Glueless, glueless. Can you see? Moving, moving. Putting that in so that you can see that it's still a glueless wig. There's no glue whatsoever. So I decided to go in with my signature sort of like look because I don't think I've tried a wig if I don't do this hairstyle. I feel like this is sort of like my signature look at this point. I don't like doing like a middle path, and I think my face structure does not agree with a middle path. So this part, like a side part, would always make sense to me. Like, look at that, guys, and tell me it does not look good. Sana, I love this wig down. If you'd like to place your order on this unit, check it in my description down below and also use my discount code, guys, so that you can get a discount. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much to Ashimary Hair for sponsoring us with this lovely unit. It's a gorgeous unit for gorgeous, gorgeous girls who want to look good and not put in so much effort. Anyway, my love, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you did enjoy this video. I'll definitely see you in my next upload. Love you so much. Bye. If you tuned in till this part, you're definitely the one. Have a great week, great weekend, depending on when you're seeing this video. I love you so much, my love. See you in my next one. Bye.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day. Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want